Uh-oh, I got stuck on this exact screen when I started Arduino. Errors, crashes, the IDE just wouldn't open. I know how frustrating this feels. I have been there. So today I will show you the easiest way to install Arduino IDE step by step with no errors. Subscribe to the channel and watch till the end so you don't get stuck again.
Learning series. In the previous video, we have learned what is Arduino, why it was created, and real-time applications of Arduino. Today, we are going to take our first practical step. In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and set up the Arduino IDE software step by step. Don't worry if you are a complete beginner, just following along with me. By the end of this video, you will have Arduino IDE software fully installed and ready to use. Let's get started. Before installing it, let's quickly understand what Arduino IDE software is. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is the software which is used to write code, compile it and upload it to the Arduino board. Now, let's move on to the installation process. First, open the web browser and type Arduino IDE download. You will see the first link www.arduino.cc. Just click it. Make sure you are on the official Arduino website to avoid downloading fake or the harmful software. Look at this Arduino IDE 2.3.7. It is the recently released Arduino IDE software. Now you will see different versions of Arduino IDE. Arduino provides IDEs for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Choose the versions according to your operating system. For Windows user, click on Windows installer, just download it. The download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete. The file size may be around 150 MB, so it might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Just double click on the Arduino installer. Now click I agree to accept the license agreement. On the next screen, make sure all options are selected and click Next. During installations, Windows may ask, do you want to install this device software? Just click Yes. Choose the installation location or leave it as default. That's your wish. Now click Install. Wait for the installations to finish.
Once the installation is completed, open the Arduino IDE software. When it opens for the first time, you will see a blank code window, menu bar at the top, toolbar at the next. This blank program is called a sketch. It is automatically opens a default sketch, which is perfectly normal. Let's quickly understand this interface. At the top, you will see a verify button and upload button. Verify button is used to check your codes for errors. Upload button is used to send the code to the Arduino. On the menu bar, you will see File to create or open sketches. Tools for selecting the Arduino board and port. Sketch is used to verify and upload the code. At the bottom, you will see status bar. It shows the messages like compiling or uploading and some of the outputs. Don't worry about memorizing everything. We will use these options slowly in upcoming videos. In the next video, we will connect our Arduino board to the computer and upload our first program. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.